Assalamu alaikum. Class 7, test paper number 4, question number 9. A wall 8 meter long and 2 meter high is to be covered with rectangular tiles by 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Find the total cost of the tiles at the rate of rupees 6 per tile. So you have to find the area of the wall and then area of the rectangular tiles whose dimensions are given. Then you have to same their units, and then you have to divide to find the total number of tiles. So then you have to multiply it with 6. Question number 10. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 64 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular hall is 64 meter. Its height is 5 meter. Find the total cost of painting its 4 walls at the rate of rupees 8 per square meter. So the perimeter of the rectangular hall is given and its height is also given. You have to find the total surface area of the walls. Then you have to find the cost of painting of its 4 walls at the rate of rupees 8 per square meter. So perimeter of the rectangular hall is equal to 64 meter is given in the question. Height of the hall is equal to 5 meter. So we have to find the surface area of its 4 walls, that is equal to 2h into L plus B. But length and breadth is not given in the question. So by using the perimeter of rectangle, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 64 meter. So we have to put 2 into L plus B, 64 meter, and height is given. So surface area of its 4 walls is equals to 2 into L plus B equals to 64 meter. Multiply by height is 5 meter. So 5 into 64 is equal to 320 meter square. Now rate of painting is rupees 8 per meter square is given in the question. Cost of painting the hall at 320 meter square is equal to 320 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 2560 rupees is the cost of painting the 4 walls of the hall. Question number 11. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Given a measurement AC is equal to 16 centimeter. AC 16 centimeter. BM 6 centimeter. DL 4 centimeter. Determine the area of ABCD. We have to find the area of this parallelogram. So you can see there are 2 triangles ABC and ACD. So you have to find the area of the triangle ACD and ABC, and then you have to add their areas to find the area of this whole parallelogram. So as we know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. In the triangle ACD, 1 over 2 as it is, and base is equals to AC. So we put B is equals to AC and height is equals to DL. Height is equals to DL. Now we have to put the values of base and height. So AC is given in the question is 16 centimeter. So B is equals to 16 centimeter, and DL is given in the question is 4 centimeter. So height is 4 centimeter. So we have to put 1 over 2 multiply by 16 centimeter multiply by 4 centimeter. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, and we get 8 into 4, 32 centimeter square is the area of ACD, the triangle ACD. Now we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 over 2. Here base is equals to AC and height is equals to BM. So we put 1 over 2 multiplied by AC multiplied by BM. AC is equals to 16 centimeter is given in the question. AC is equals to 16 centimeter and BM is equals to 6 centimeter. So BM is equals to 6 centimeter. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 8 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter is equals to 48 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of parallelogram ABCD. Area of the parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of first triangle plus area of second triangle, that is equal to 32 centimeter square plus 48 centimeter square, that is equal to 80 centimeter square is the area of this parallelogram ABCD. Okay student, the last question, question number 12 is the volume of a cube is 125 centimeter cube. We have to find its total surface area, and as we know that the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square, but L is not given in the question. So we have to find the value of L by using the volume of the cube. So as we know that the volume of a cube is equals to 125 centimeter cube is given in the question, we have to let the length of the side of a cube is equals to L. which we have to find. So volume of the cube will be length multiplied by length multiplied by length. So volume of the cube is equals to 125 centimeter cube. We can put here is equals to L multiplied by 3 times, so L cube. But we have to find the value of simple L. So we have to taking the cube root on both sides. 125 can be written as 5. 125 can be written as 5 cube centimeter cube or cube root is equals to L cube multiplied by 1/3. 3 will be cancelled out with this 3 and we get L is equals to 5 cube will be cancelled out with the cube root. We will get 5 centimeter cube over centimeter cube whole power cube root. So centimeter. Length is equals to 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area of a cube, which is equal to 6L square. So 6L square, and L is equals to 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter whole square, and 5 centimeters whole square can be written twice. 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter, that is equal to 25 centimeter square. And after multiplication of 6 and 25, we get the answer 150 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cube.